Welcome back to High Point Land Company. We get asked all the time, what is all that corn used for? Someone drives through the Midwest or they fly over on a plane and they see squares all over, all the way from Colorado to Ohio, and they asked us, what is all that corn used for? There's so much of it. How can it possibly have so many uses? So we wanted to make a video talking about the top 50 things that corn from the Midwest is used for around the world. The two biggest uses for corn that you see grown in the Midwest or anywhere in the United States is livestock feed and ethanol. Livestock feed is going to feed cattle, pigs, chickens, turkeys, and many other types of livestock that are going to eat the corn after it's ground up or processed and then turn into products that you would eat at home like chicken, bacon, steaks, and different products that are going to be consumables or feed cows that are going to produce milk and other animal-based protein products. The second one is ethanol. So when you look at your gas pump, it says 10% of ethanol or 15% of ethanol or no ethanol. That is corn that is turned into ethanol by the extraction of a part of the kernel that allows it to be made into energy and put into our fuel system that goes into your car or UTV or anything that fuel is used for gasoline. The other products that corn is used for outside of ethanol and livestock are corn silage, corn meal, corn flour, corn starch, corn oil, high fructose corn syrup, glucose or dextrose, cornflake cereal, tortilla chips, corn tortillas, cornbread mix. A lot of your snack foods like your chips have many corn ingredients, paper coatings, laundry starch, alcohol, citric acid, and Zaxxum gum, which is used for thickener made from corn fermentation. Cleaning supplies like glass cleaner, dish soap, laundry detergent, laundry starch spray, fabric softener, dishwasher detergent, floor cleaners, degreasers, disinfectant sprays, carpet cleaners, and toilet bowl cleaners are all household products that have corn in them. When it comes to hygiene and personal care, toothpaste, mouthwash, hand sanitizer, shampoo and conditioner, body wash, liquid hand soap, deodorant, lotion and moisturizers, baby powder, cosmetic powders, shaving cream, and makeup all comes from the corn that comes from the fields that you fly over or drive through when traveling primarily through the Midwest in the United States. So as you see, there is so many products, and I could go on for a very long time with more things, but corn and soybeans in the Midwest are used for many, many different types of products in many different types of industries. And that's one of the reasons farmland as an investment that grows corn and soybeans has such a bright outlook in the future. If you like the content that we put out, please hit the like and subscribe button, as well as leave us a comment down below if there's any future videos you'd like to see from us.